My child, have you ever felt guilty for lying on the sofa all day thinking you should be doing something productive? Give yourself a break. You have been working so hard recently, taking on challenges the universe sends your way. You are entitled to a bit of you time. Relax, maybe even pamper yourself. Even if you do spend all day in front of TV, that's okay. You deserve to be carefree now and again. You will find it amplifies the new energy you have created for yourself. There was a time when your focus would shift from one thing to the next. Constantly searching for the next thing that would hopefully transform your life. You never truly allowed yourself the time to nurture any approach with enough intent for it to stick. This time has passed. You are a different person who respects yourself and your decisions. Now, your new sense of self belief and strong energy puts you in a place of being able to get what you exactly want. You have made a lot of sacrifices recently. Sometimes it might not feel like your manifestations are turning into a reality as quickly as you want them to. In reality, there is an abundance of energy that you have created working in the background to make our dreams come true. Stay true to the path you have kept yourself on the trust your instincts. Recognizing what you need to set in action. Remember, you are a warrior of the universe. Type yes if you believe and also subscribe.